sounds crazy for it being stock, but this might be the best DIY mod jigsaw motorcycle muffler mod ever. How do you turn this into Hey guys, so I am going to Home Depot. Today is going to be DIY day. I should have went earlier. It's 2 o'clock already. I'll try to make the project. If I can't do it today, I'll just get the stuff today. But I am going to be buying some products today for my DIY exhaust build, coming from the stock exhaust from my motorcycle. So I have an exhaust coming, a Yoshimura, and it was a free promo thing for a couple of weeks. It'll be here in a couple of weeks. So in the interim, I wanted to do work on the exhaust that I have now. Now, I don't know if it's gonna turn out good or bad or whatever, but I'm just gonna try it. Goals are to get a tube of some sort to make the actual perforated section, then get some fiber matting, then get a grinder and whatever else that comes with it, and maybe potentially a socket kit. Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a quick breakdown of this little mod I want to do. Now just bear in mind that, hold down, I'm against the light. Bear in mind that I just bought some tools, but as far as the core products that you will be using, that I'm going to be using, so we have this multi-purpose roll. It's fiber, small insulation jobs. I'm going to use this stuff, the muffler itself right here, on the new one, right there. I bought some, because I need the tools. I bought these 14 millimeter. I think 10 and 13, and I guess a 10 millimeter sockets for the job, right? So this is optional. Obviously, if you have it, then you don't need it. I bought this right here, steel stick, to help with adhering the metal to the new pipe right there. I also bought, I'm going to use this as primer. I'm going to use this as primer on the new pipe, and high gloss or semi-gloss black. Make sure it's high heat that you guys buy. And what I'm going to use, don't make fun of me, what I'm going to use to actually do the actual, I guess, baffle slash the perforated steel portion of that is going to be this little piece right here. I'm going to roll this into a 2-inch roll. I'm going to roll this into a 2-inch roll right here, right? Because this has perforations. It has a hole for me to, once I roll it, to make it into a 2-inch baffle, or section in here. So this is kind of perfect for me. And it's aluminum, so it is super light. And to do all the work, I bought I'm gonna put the links down below for if you want to buy it on Amazon. I bought it at Home Depot. I'll put the links down below. I just bought a decently priced, I guess, to be honest, the cheapest Ryobi corded grinder. And you cannot forget the blades to cut the metal. So let's walk you through here. So from what I saw from the guy, right? We don't want to take any fairings off. We're going to be taking this piece off, obviously this piece right here, and if you can see right here, I'm going to turn the light on, right? That bolt right up in there, that situation there, but you'll see it once you expose this right here. Probably using these. These are 13 millimeters, by the way. Easy. Super easy. No turning back now. Here it is. Ta-da! How are we going to mod up this exhaust? I'm gonna have to cut this off, shorten it to where it just fits literally like right here. So it'll be, the exhaust will be this small, right? So it can hide in there. So meaning I would have to cut down here somewhere right before that. And I'm gonna have to cut these welds off right here, which is fine, and I'll rivet them in with the rivets that I have. But yeah, let's get to it. So I have gone and taped where I'm going to be cutting, right? I'm gonna be cutting. It's gonna be a simple cut anyway. Once I make this cut, this end's gonna come here. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and commence this cutting. Okay, here we go. So this is the first piece right here. Came right off, clean cut right there, and that's where I'm gonna put the. I might not need to put the thing on there, the welding, but let me just shave this right off, clean that up, and everything like that. But that's what it is right there. Now we gotta take away the top, this piece right here. But this is the internals. Steel wire. I'm gonna probably have to. I'm gonna use this again. All the stuff again. I'm gonna use all of this stuff again. I might not need to use the fiberglass that I bought. But yeah, this is the internals. Baffles and everything. Let's do it. So I think I hit my eye a little bit, but right here it's pretty much off. It's kind of hot. It's pretty much off now. Got it to tip off. I'm gonna take the rest of this off, and we'll see what happens. Here's the rest of it. It does come off. I'm gonna try to grind the welding here and open this up more to let it pull off, and then we'll see. I don't have any glasses, and I don't want my eye to get hit again, so I have to put this on. So I'm trying to take this off right here, just to get the without the mat damages too much. I will be painting this, but I just don't want to damage it too much. But eventually I'll take it off. I'll get it off. As promised, I told you I'd get it off. So it's still kind of hot, but here it is, right here. it's gonna be bigger than bigger than 2 inches. It should be around 2 inches. This outlet right here, but it just so happens that this can fits right in, right here. Fits right in the back there. So I'm gonna roll this black mat into the size of this can and custom fit it inside here. So essentially, it's gonna look like inside here, just like that, right up in there. So what I'll do is I'm gonna drive a rivet right in here, lock it in. That's pretty tight. Okay. That's a circle right there. Right? That's a decent circle right there. So now I'm going to rivet more. Literally, that will fit inside there, just like a perforated pipe. And it's super light. So let's clean it up even more if you need to, right? If you needed to, if you wanted to. Now I have cut it to shape right here. So as you can see, it's literally, it looks like a perforated tube. And it's the best thing is it's aluminum, super light. So for added suppression, I guess, and baffling, just in case it gets too loud, I'm gonna put more of this inside here. I'm excited to sound test it to see how it really sounds right here, right now, first time ever. That sounds crazy compared to what it used to sound. I'm gonna call my wife. So I'm gonna surprise my wife as to this thing sounds crazy for it being stock, but the width of it, the height of it, once that thing comes in, oh boy, it's gonna look sick with that cover on. I mean, for me, it looks, I'm just excited right now, dude. I'm excited right now, dude. Gutted it. Ooh, I didn't even know this was gonna work. So that's a test fit right there on there. Look at what we lost. We lost a lot of, yeah, man, it's gonna look hot, dude. Hold clutch, hold clutch. Hold this down and press start.
Hold the clutch.
Hold the clutch and press start and tell me how it sounds.
Don't let it go.
Don't let go of the clutch until it starts. How does it sound compared to before? How does it sound compared to before?
So loud.
But better? But stop it.
Should I let go the hand?
Yeah, let go of the clutch. Let go of the clutch. Right.
What?
All right,
Whoa. What the heck? You did it.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna rivet it up now and paint it and lock it up.
I didn't know you know how to do that.
Well, I'm cheap, so what do you do? But man,
But you removed the thing?
no, it's in there.
Now it's gonna be small. You know the police is gonna catch it. The police is gonna catch it with this.
It's not. Trust me, it's not. I'm gonna clean it up now. Put rivets in. Primer it for now because it's a really good time to spray. What do you think about that?
It's hot though. I like the sound.
You see right there. As always, the battery ran out. I am finishing up the project now. Put everything away. Bike's right there. You can't really see it, but I am painting the exhaust right over there. You can't really see it, but it's black with a gray undercoat. Gonna finish it off right now. But yeah, the paint still has to dry. Might have to hit it again. But basically, that is the finished product. There you go, rivet it up, put that back. I have to say, it looks pretty clean. You guys just had to get gas with Ruby and everything, but I just want to show you what it looks like as it sits right now. Stock pipe. I do have an imperfection right there. I don't want to touch it as of yet. But yeah, it came out very nice. It really did. Tell me what you guys think.